Assalamu alaikum to all the kids. How was your day? I hope you all are safe in your home. And let us start this video. And in this video, we are going to see the subject is what? Is there any guess? Yes, we are going to see the subject is science. In the previous videos, we have discussed about the first lesson. What is the first lesson? Science, process, skills. Yes, mashallah. Now in this video, we are going to see about the plants. That is the second lesson. Unit name is the plant life. Inshallah, let us start this lesson. Before that, I'm going to ask you a few questions and let us see what is your answers. Yes, in this picture, can you able to see the different types of trees, leaves, and not all the trees or in same size or same structures. Each one is different, isn't it? Yes. And now you can see this picture. This picture is regarding planting some trees or something. My question is, in your lifetime, have you planted any trees nearby your home side or in any other places? If you did this, mashallah, try to plant a tree or yes, try to plant trees in your home side or in any other places. Inshallah, do this and let us enter into the lesson. Yes. Now, one more question. If we want to grow, what we need generally as a human beings, we need what? Yes, mashallah, we need food. We need food to eat so that we can grow in taller and it help us to grow our muscles. Everything will be changed in our bodies when we have a regular food. The same thing, how the plants are growing and how it's getting its food. Yes, for all these questions we have an answer in this topic and let us see one by one. Yes, are you eager to see what is that? Yes, for this we need to know about the process of photosynthesis. Yes, can we say again? The process of photosynthesis. What is that word? Last word, photosynthesis. Yes, shall we spell that word together? Yes, photosynthesis. 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 What is that word? photosynthesis. 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 Yes, let us know about what is the process of photosynthesis. Yes, shall we start? See this picture. In this picture, you can able to see a plant and a sunlight is there. Here, the sunlight will falls on the leaves or on the trees. At this time, the plant takes up the water from the roots. We all know that. And here the leaves takes the carbon dioxide from the air. So in the atmospheric air, the leaves takes out the carbon dioxide. What is that? Carbon dioxide. So that formula they are representing in the term CO. In the subscript they have mentioned 2. CO2. Briefly I will explain you in the next slide. Yes, let us see the next point. Here the leaves traps the energy from the sunlight. How the leaves are getting the energy? Through the sunlight. Yes, here the plant uses the energies of sunlight. It turns the water and carbon dioxide into sugars and oxygen. Here, due to the presence of sunlight at this time, what is happening? The water, it is getting through the roots, you know that, and then carbon dioxide. Where it is getting the carbon dioxide? From the air. These both combine together. What is that two things? Water and carbon dioxide. These both combine together and it forms into what? Sugar and oxygen. Sugar and oxygen. What the both will combine? Water and carbon dioxide. What the both will combine? Water and carbon dioxide, and it gives out what? Sugar and oxygen. Gives out sugar and oxygen. Yes, here the plant releases out what? It is giving out what we said? Oxygen. Yes, how we are getting the oxygen? Now you get the answer. Through the plants. Yes, here what the plant uses for the growth? It uses the sugars for its growth. This is the process of photosynthesis. Let me explain you one more time. The sunlight falls on the leaves. At this time, the leaves takes the carbon dioxide from the air and it traps the energy from sunlight. Here it uses the sunlight to turn the water and carbon dioxide into sugar and oxygen, and then it uses the sugars for the growth. Yes, again one simple picture. Sun rays is falling on the plants and leaves. It takes in the carbon dioxide and gives out the oxygen. It is getting the water through the roots. What are the two things will combine together? When water and carbon dioxide, it will combine together in the presence of sunlight, it will gives out the oxygen and sugar. Yes, in this picture it is a simple equation I have given you, that is regarding the process of photosynthesis. See the first thing, that is word equation. When the carbon dioxide, shall we spell that word? Carbon, C-A-R-B-O-N, carbon, di, oxide, O-X-I-D-E, oxide. Carbon dioxide combines with water. The plus is nothing but addition. You already know that plus represents the addition. When carbon dioxide and water combines together, combines means here joining. Here another one arrow they have given, right? One big arrow is there. It is nothing but in the presence of what and what? That is in the presence of light. Light is here what? Sunlight. Yes, sunlight and chlorophyll. Where is that chlorophyll will be there? It is present in the leaves. Yes, in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll, it gives out what? Glucose plus oxygen. Here and glucose and oxygen. Carbon dioxide plus water in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll gives out glucose plus oxygen. Yes, glucose plus oxygen. Before the arrow it tells about the reactant, that is both are reacting together. After the arrow, what is giving out? It is giving out glucose and oxygen. Here and the next box they have represented the symbol equation. For carbon dioxide the symbol is, simply we can say it is formula. Okay, for carbon dioxide CO2, for water H2O, presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. For glucose C6H12O6. This is the way you want to pronounce the equation, C6H12O6, and oxygen is 6O2, that is O2 is oxygen, O. Yes, carbon dioxide is CO2, for water H2O, for glucose C6H12O6, that is sugar. In the previous slide I have said you know it uses the sugars for the growth. Here the sugar is nothing but glucose, and for oxygen is O2. Okay kids, I hope you understood this process of photosynthesis. It is so easy and simple, and try to learn in your home itself while hearing this video. And inshallah in the next video we will continue the lesson. I hope you all understood, and Jazakallahu khairan for hearing this video. Thank you all.